Today we're going to learn how to apply base in topper gel. We're going to use as a base gel mop top and topper gel I Create Whole by Innocence. So what you want to start off is make sure your hair is saturated with water. We're going to start off with our base gel, which is mop top curly hair custard, and we are going to do this much. You want to just rake it through. I want longevity, so I want my hair to last, and it's been raining here, so I'm just gonna do a little bit more. Then for my topper gel, I will section. I'm gonna use my crocodile clips. And I'm gonna apply I Create Hold by Innocence. And I'm gonna apply this much of my topper gel to that section. And then make sure this hair is smooth. If you feel like you need a little bit more water, just add water. And I like to use a brush to keep it simple. And then we're gonna go to the other section.
Remember to add water to every section. And I'm going to continue doing this all the way to the top. You use your brush to smooth out the surface of the hair.
Okay, and there you have it. After this, you're gonna just apply, remove water. And you can use a microfiber towel or a cotton t-shirt. We have applied the base gel and the topper gel. And this definitely is going to give you longevity if you're in a humid weather. And after this, you want to air dry, or you can either diffuse, whatever you have time for. I'm going to show you on the next video how it looks diffused. Thank you for watching.